Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Sensu video and baby movement monitor. So we're going to go ahead and open up the packaging. First we're doing a little unboxing for you guys. So the features of the baby monitor system is movement alert, overheating and cold alerts, rollover alert, so if your baby rolls over it lets you know, motion detection, 1080p HD video and night vision, and two-way talk. Alright, so this is the user manual and the camera, the 1080p camera, and it does have night vision. The night vision is pretty good, and the camera for during the day is pretty good too. Like, they're pretty clear and crispy considering it's a baby monitor. And then this is the clip that you attach to the baby's diaper or clothing, so it can monitor temperature, movement, and all that good stuff. And then this is the base station. The base station does give you light notifications and sound notifications if it needs to notify you of any alerts, like temperature and all that good stuff. And then this is all the extra little pieces, like the sticker that you attach to the camera, so you use that to mount it wherever you're going to mount it, table, wall, etc., wherever you're going to put it. And then all the cords, the extra battery. I think the battery is for the little baby monitor. I didn't check what that one was for yet. And then the cords for the base station and the camera. And then to get started, you got to go ahead and download the Sensu app. I didn't show you all the steps, I'm just kind of showing you a couple of the steps. But it is super self-explanatory to set up the base station, the little monitor that goes on the baby, camera, all that good stuff. It is super simple. So just follow the steps to set up your camera. This is once I got everything all set up, and it's just giving you some tips and stuff like that once you do get it set up. And now the camera is set up, and I did go ahead and put the little monitor on the baby. I don't always remember to put it on, especially since my baby is only 2 weeks old right now. I don't always need that extra peace of mind attaching this to her, but I know I'm going to be able to take advantage of this a lot more once I actually put her into the nursery. But right now she stays in a bedside bassinet in the room with me for the most part. But yeah, so I went ahead and attached that to her diaper so I can kind of show you guys how that works. The Sensu baby monitor is currently the only monitor on the market that can alert you in real time about the baby's abdominal breathing movements, rollover, and temperature. And to actually track the breathing, it works through monitoring the rise and the fall of the abdominal breathing movement. So that's how it notifies you if the baby's breathing speeds up, slows down, or anything like that. So it's a pretty cool feature. Like I was saying, I don't really use the clip that often just because I'm always with the baby at the moment, but I know I'm going to be using it a lot more once I transfer the baby from our bedroom. But I was getting ready to take a shower, so I do take advantage of this monitor whenever I want to take a shower and I'm home alone. I usually try to jump in the shower really quickly whenever she's taking a nap. So yeah, she's sleeping peacefully, and I left the room and I took my phone into the bathroom with me, put my phone literally in a Ziploc bag and hung it in the shower so I can see her while I was in the shower. She did eventually wake up, and I had to like rush from the shower to hurry up and get to her because I feel bad anytime she's crying and she's by herself. So I'm like, my poor little baby. I could only imagine how it must feel to be a new soul in this world all by yourself. Like, where's my mommy? I was in the womb all this time. But yeah, so it does notify you of temperature changes as well. Once you first put the clip on the baby's body, it does take a while to adjust to the actual temperature of the baby's body. So you guys see how there's like the temperature, and then the arrow going up is letting you know that the temperature is rising. But it is pretty accurate when it comes to like notifying you of movement and everything like that. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what the night vision looked like as well. She was not sleeping, she was just up chilling. But my baby is definitely an active sleeper, so sometimes whenever she seems like she's waking up, she's actually sleeping, and I have to do my best to not go disturb her. So yeah, it has been a really helpful tool whenever I'm cooking dinner, if I need to let my dogs out, or if I need to feed the dogs, whatever I need to do, if I need to run to the bathroom. It's been super helpful. So yeah, I do have a 20% off discount code. I will link it in the description box down below for you guys, and also put it on the screen. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, turn on your post notifications so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye you guys.